selected right now from the top riders that did some test jumps today. Fine-tuned are in. We'll head that direction tomorrow. I tell you what, we've had a good time so far. Old San Diego, you guys have been great. And that's what we know. We're fired up ready to make it happen. You guys know a little bit of background on the athletes we have. We got Ronnie Ritter, one of the OGs of the sport. Been making it happen for a long, long time. An icon. Incredible athlete when it comes to natural terrain, when it comes to everything on a dirt bike. He's got a record of 56 feet on a quarter pipe hit. You name it, he can do it. Ronnie Ritter! Ritter, how we doing tonight?
So far, so good. Having a killer time down here in Old Town. Putting everybody up for the biggest
Glenn Halliper, you guys that don't know, X-Fighters, it's the biggest, the best, the baddest freestyle event in the world, and it's brought right here in your backyard, just a short distance away. Next up, we got Keith Sayers, all the way from Butte, Montana, the godson, the Evel Knievel. Growing up in the same town, Keith's been riding dirt bikes his whole life. Been riding freestyle for almost 10 years now, traveling the globe, having a good time. Give it up for Keith! I know, we've all been having a great time. San Diego, we always love it. What's going on underneath that helmet?
Oh, not much. Here having a good time. Gonna put on a little demo for you guys. Give you a little preview of what you guys can go watch on May 12th, Red Bull X-Fighters.
All right, well again, last but not least, we got a technician on a dirt bike, Rich Kern, all the way out from Connecticut. Just landed on a plane. Was doing an event out of China for 7 days. Landed yesterday. Still kind of getting used to the time change. Obviously, it's tomorrow. And here we are tonight in San Diego. Give it up for Rich Kern! The world traveler. How you doing, man? Alright, so I tell you what, you guys, the crowds are filling in the homework, these guys are going to get warmed up and then we're going to take it on one more notch. Just a few minutes ago, we had a lucky winner, 1 in 50 people, when a brand new Yamaha 450, Robbie Madison replica bike. And I tell you what, congratulations to our lucky winner. And again, there's a lot more to be had. At the end of the show, we got autograph signings, we got posters for the kids, we got stickers, we got hats, of course, purchasers. Let's go right now. Buy one, get one free. And again, this is an opportunity tonight only to come out, make it happen. Buy one, get one free. We'll have the show right behind the MXT. The riders will be doing autographs, and we're going to make it happen for you. San Diego, you ready to make it happen? Yeah, all right, let's do it. Signing off strong. still these guys now. And this is just of what's going down right now. So again, tonight, here we go, ready to love. San Diego, what do you guys another huge whip. Bullet gets the stairs on that heart attack. Randall X-Fighter brought away ready to go, Keith. How we doing underneath that helmet? Good. What do you guys think? Yeah, I tell you what, you guys have been making a lot of noise, and these guys are going off for you. Renner, how we doing underneath that helmet?
I'm doing alright. How about you guys, San Diego? I think, I'm getting old and a little tired. I think you guys get fired up. I don't know if you're
Oh, I think he's calling out San Diego. He's calling out Old Town San Diego. Kern, having a great time on the bikes over there. What do you think? We give them one more round up and make some noise?
Yeah, but there's a lot of people that have that much running, so I don't know. We can probably go back to
One more round. Here's your chance on the count of three. Let these boys know you want them to have one more round. 1, 2, 3. So again, one more time, San Diego. 1, 2, 3.
Better about to die.
it's like to hear you guys all fired up, and I definitely got to put it out there next weekend. You think this is cool? Be back in the freestyle course, Heather Mays building right right now, and be Radis International. That's the best, I guess. World class event. Play how you guys gotta go.
May not be getting any younger, but I tell you what, he's not losing any skill in the third bike. Let's give it up for Ronnie Ray! And again, you 2 for 1, buy one, get one free. Red Bull X-Fighter tickets. Tonight's the night. Make it happen. It will Having fun, San Diego. Let them know you like what you see. Never get tired. All right, San Diego, now one more time. 1, 3. 8 points, finishing it off strong. First up, returns all the way from overseas, bringing it to you here in Old Town. Next up, Ronnie Ray. And Keith says, finishing it off. San Diego, thanks for having us. And again, after the show, come over behind here next week. Tickets for sale. All tickets for the kids, the whole works. Make sure you get it. The Red Bull X Fighter, cheaper one, 9 We'll see you guys in Glen Helen. Thanks for having us. Enjoy this. Cheers.